Today I'll be teaching you how I made this awesome from scratch knife. The knife is just made out of bar metal and the handle is just from an antler, old deer antler, and a little bit of wood. And this thing turned out pretty awesome. I'm very happy with how this turned out. It's all smooth, you know, put together, everything's nice, no like glue everywhere. Blade is very smooth and very sharp. So I'll be showing you how I did it and I hope you enjoy. Y'all, so it is done. This knife is pretty awesome, except I did nick this side right there and right there with the angle grinder when I was finishing up, so that's kind of sad, but you know, it's okay. It turned out pretty awesome. The scratches just give it a little bit of character, which I actually kind of like. And it's definitely pretty sharp. I did cut myself while making this, so it passes that test. And the handle's pretty awesome. It's just great knife altogether. And yeah, that's basically it. Hey, if you aren't already subscribed, go ahead and subscribe down below. It's not that hard. And if you enjoyed the video, go ahead and give it a like.